Alright, this is a video explaining how to order parts off our website. We're going to specifically look at the SSR parts. So if you go to shop eastcentralsports.com or eastcentralsports.com, and at the home page here, click on parts, accessories, and schematics. You can click on pit bikes and dirt bikes and click on the SSRs. Now we don't have every single part in stock, but I'm going to show you how you can see every single part and on here how we got it up. We do have the dress up kits here, so these are all different accessories that you can dress up your SSR with. And if I go back, I'll go back to this page here for the SSRs, and the pit bikes have all the different models. And let's just use a 125 for example. Click on SR 125 and click, here's the schematics for the 15 through 17s. Here's the schematics for the 18 through the 22s. Here's your engine breakdown schematics for all the different years and models. There's a spec sheet. And then here down below are all the parts with the SKU numbers, are the part numbers that we actually carry and have in stock. If you click on here, on the 1822s, and it, right to the financing page on accident. Scroll down here, there's your schematics, every single part number right there. Show you the quantities needed, and I'll show you the pricing. Now you can take that SKU number and you can go and search that SKU number on our website and see that we have that SKU number in stock. If you search the SKU number and it doesn't show that we have it in stock, we make it very simple. You can just give us a call right there, and you can call and place an order with us. We are one of the largest SSR dealers in the country, and we ship out a ton of parts with SSR from here or right from SSR directly. You can find your schematics for any of your bikes on here. Thanks.